You know, despite us spending all night decorating, I still feel something's missing.
Yeah, same here. I feel like we may have forgot something yesterday while we were shopping.
HMMM. Guys, I think we forgot the tree.
Bullshit. That's what we forgot, the tree.
No wonder why I wasn't trampled or injured on our way out of the store.
Oh man, who's gonna get the tree? Instead of us wasting our time trying to figure out who's gonna go, why don't we just all go?
That's the stupidest idea I've ever heard.
Yeah.
Shut the hell up. None of you any form of good ideas. Now, unless you guys want Christmas to be the day of dread and boredom, my suggestion is to simply come along.
We'll go.
Good. You had no choice anyway. Which mole is this?
Crooklyn Hills.
Hold up, you two. Just a reminder that we only came here to find a tree, not to screw around in the mall. Got it?
Donations. We are taking donations. Help for the cause of kids who are starving in third world countries.
Oh crap, I only wrote enough money for a tree.
Hey, do you want to donate for a cause?
Yeah, no thanks. I'm only here because I need to get a Christmas tree.
Okay. I understand. So what you're saying is that you're a piece of trash that hates starving kids, huh?
What? I never said that.
This person hates kids in third world countries. Is that you're a piece of trash that hates starving kids, huh?
That's the stupidest idea I've ever heard.
This person hates kids in third world countries.
Shut the fuck up. Shut up, all of you. You guys piss me off. Just because I don't want to donate doesn't mean I hate kids from third world countries. It just means I'm broke as hell. Look, I can give them something, just watch. $4,800.
Something the matter?
Yeah, why is this so fucking expensive?
Well, considering that we use real trees, everyone nowadays uses fake trees, so we thought this a reasonable price for a tree like this.
Well, do you have anything 300 can buy?
Why, certainly. Follow me. This one holds up pretty well and looks good for about 280.
Any problems with this tree?
Oh no. Why would there be a problem with a tree that costs 280?
Sorry, I saw a lot of cartoons where the store clerk would screw them over because they're broke.
What fucking cartoons did you watch?
Never mind that, I'll take it.
Okay, I'll take the tree to the counter. Meet me over there.
Where the hell is he?
Well, I mean, he is carrying around a heavy tree, so cut him some slack, man.
Let's go home, guys. I need some rest.
Agreed.
Yup.
Merry Christmas